안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today I'll make crispy tofu fritters made with delicious veggies and Korean fermented seasoning ingredients such as hot pepper paste and soybean paste. It is called 두부 장떡 in Korean. I got some of the ingredients for this recipe from our garden. Then I found that gray squirrels. 다람쥐 had a feast of sweet corn in our garden. They literally ate most of them. Our boys were waiting for months to try the sweet corn, 옥수수, so I'm a little sad. Do you have any suggestion for us on how to keep the garden safe from wild animals? At least somebody enjoyed the sweet corn, I guess. Anyway, chop the garlic chives, 부추, perilla leaves, 깻잎, and the onion, 양파, into little pieces. Slice the red hot pepper, 홍고추, thinly. Get a half pack of extra firm tofu, 두부. Then mush the tofu with your hands. Combine the tofu, all the chopped veggies, the hot pepper paste, 고추장, the soybean paste, 된장, the Korean frying mix, 튀김가루, and the water, 물. Mix everything well. The Korean frying mix makes this crispy outside, but you can also use normal wheat flour instead. Add the cooking oil, 식용유 on a heated pan, and put in a spoonful of that tofu mixture. Make it flat into a circle shape, and if you love spicy food like me, it is great to put a slice of red hot pepper on it for color and flavor. Do the same thing for several more pieces and fry for about 3 minutes on medium-high. After 3 minutes, flip the patties and fry for another 3 minutes or until both sides become nicely golden brown. This is a great match with the soy dipping sauce, so if you want, please check my soy dipping sauce recipe in the description box below this video. Please try this delicious 두부 장떡 recipe someday, and if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook because I love to see off the pictures. 어때? Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.